The Millionaire Fastlane, Crack the Code to Wealth and Live Rich for a Lifetime, written by MJ DeMarco, summarized by Audiobooks You Love. If you're ready to break free from the ordinary and discover the keys to true financial freedom, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into MJ DeMarco's book, The Millionaire Fastlane, a life-changing guide that challenges everything you thought you knew about wealth, success, and financial independence. What if there were a faster, smarter way to achieve financial freedom? What if you could enjoy life on your own terms, with time and money working for you instead of against you? Well, in this video, I'll share with you powerful insights and actionable strategies that can fast-track your path to financial independence, so you can start living life the way you've always dreamed. Stick around to discover how thinking differently can turn your financial goals into a reality. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Wealth in a wheelchair. Get rich slow is get rich old. We've all heard it before. Work hard for 40 years, save a little each month, and retire comfortably. But as DeMarco points out, this traditional path is a deception. By the time you've saved enough to retire, you might be too old to fully enjoy the wealth you've accumulated. The get-rich-slow method promises security, but often leads to mediocrity and missed opportunities. DeMarco's own story illustrates the flaws in this approach. Frustrated with the slow accumulation of wealth through traditional means, he sought a different route, one that allowed him to create wealth while still young, vibrant, and full of energy. The key takeaway: true wealth isn't just about accumulating money. It's about having the freedom to enjoy it now. Think outside the box and look for ways to achieve financial freedom faster. Lesson 2. Wealth is not a road, but a road trip. Building wealth is not just a destination. It's a journey, like a road trip. Along the way, you'll encounter obstacles, detours, and unexpected challenges. The key to success is having a clear vision and being adaptable enough to navigate those hurdles. DeMarco presents 3 roads to wealth: the sidewalk, the slow lane, and the fast lane. Asterisk, the sidewalk is about living for today without any thought of tomorrow. This leads to financial instability and uncertainty. Asterisk, the slow lane focuses on saving, investing, and working towards retirement, but at the cost of a fulfilling present life. Asterisk, the fast lane, on the other hand, is all about creating significant wealth quickly by leveraging smart strategies, innovation, and entrepreneurship. It's about achieving freedom much sooner. Lesson 3. The Sidewalk Roadmap. The Path to Poverty. Many people are stuck on the sidewalk, living paycheck to paycheck without a clear financial strategy. They overspend, ignore savings, and rarely invest in their future. This lifestyle leads to a cycle of financial stress and missed opportunities. DeMarco warns that poor financial habits can sabotage your future. The lesson here is simple. Take control of your money. Be disciplined with your spending, make smarter investments, and avoid the trap of living for today without planning for tomorrow. Luck may play a role, but those who are financially successful often create their own luck by positioning themselves to seize opportunities. Lesson 4. Mediocrity and the Slow Lane Roadmap. The slow lane isn't a bad path. It's just a slow one. Built on the idea of steady work, saving, and investing, it offers security but often leads to a life of mediocrity. DeMarco critiques the idea of relying solely on a job for income and advocates for a more dynamic approach to wealth creation, where entrepreneurial ventures and strategic investments lead to greater freedom. In the slow lane, you might be sacrificing your present happiness for an uncertain future. It's a safe route, but it also limits your potential. To truly break free, DeMarco encourages us to embrace self-education, entrepreneurial skills, and practical knowledge. Don't fall for the idea that traditional education or a job will guarantee wealth. Lesson 5. The Fast Lane Roadmap, the Path to Wealth. The Fast Lane is all about creating wealth quickly by using the power of entrepreneurship, innovation, and smart investments. It's not about taking reckless risks, but about strategically leveraging your time and efforts to scale your wealth. Instead of trading hours for dollars, you create systems, products, and businesses that generate passive income. The key to success in the fast lane is to surround yourself with people who challenge and inspire you. Building a scalable business isn't about doing everything yourself. It's about building a team that shares your vision and helps you grow. DeMarco's message: create value, solve problems, and build scalable systems that work independently of your time. This is the true law of wealth. Lesson 6. Your vehicle to wealth. Before you can create wealth, you need to take control of yourself. Your mindset, habits, and daily actions are the foundation of your success. DeMarco stresses the importance of self-discipline, self-awareness, and personal growth. It's essential to stay focused on your goals, remain resilient through setbacks, and always keep improving yourself. A positive, growth-oriented mindset is vital to overcoming challenges and pushing through obstacles. The more you invest in yourself, the more you'll be able to navigate difficult times and ultimately achieve your financial goals. Lesson 7. Even the roads to wealth. Choosing the right path. DeMarco highlights various paths to wealth, such as real estate, internet businesses, and intellectual property. Each route comes with its own set of challenges and rewards, and finding the one that best aligns with your skills, strengths, and passions is crucial. One thing is certain: control is key. In order to build wealth, you need control over your income streams, your business decisions, and your financial future. Choose industries with high barriers to entry to protect your business from competition. Focus on solving real needs in the market, because businesses that address unmet needs are more likely to succeed. Lesson 8. Your speed. Accelerate wealth. The speed of execution is a critical factor on the fast lane. DeMarco emphasizes quick decision-making, agility, and action over endless planning. The faster you can take action and adapt, the quicker you'll achieve financial freedom. Don't let distractions derail your progress. Surround yourself with positive, supportive individuals who encourage your growth. The key takeaway is that wealth doesn't come from just working hard. It comes from working smart, staying focused, and taking bold actions toward your goals. Conclusion: your road to financial freedom. By applying the lessons from the Millionaire Fastlane, you now have a clear, actionable roadmap for accelerating your path to wealth and financial independence. Remember, the journey requires discipline, but most importantly, it requires you to think differently. Embrace the fast lane mindset, take bold actions, and start creating the future you've always dreamed of. If you found this video helpful and want to dive deeper into more book summaries that will inspire your journey to success, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Audiobooks You Love. Your support helps us bring more valuable insights to guide you on your journey toward financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.